Hi, this is Molly from Impress Interactive, and in this mini tutorial I'm going to be covering paper and page features in SimplyMpress. So we'll start by selecting the paper icon on the bottom left. Here you'll see several options, starting with size. SimplyMpress for Mac has both US and ISO page sizes, including greeting card, letter, ledger, and square sizes. Orientation, portrait or landscape. Clean page. And you can use this function when you want to delete all the objects from your page and start a new design, but remember to save your design by adding it to the portfolio first. And finally, we've got paper swatches. So I'm going to start a new design, but first I'm going to make sure that I've saved this one to the portfolio. I'll select the portfolio icon, choose a folder, and select Add. If you forget, don't worry, you can always step backwards using the Undo button. So I've added my current design to the portfolio. Now I'm going to go back and select the paper icon and select Clean Page. I'll select a new page size. I'll choose 8.5 by 11 and then zoom in a little bit. And I'll keep the orientation as landscape. Now I'll select a paper swatch. But you'll notice that the first swatch has a checkered pattern, and this pattern indicates transparency. If you select transparency, the background will display as white, but when your design is exported, the background will be transparent. And this is useful when you want to combine your design with other artwork or within other applications. So I'll use the scroll bar to browse through some swatch selections and pick one. So now I'll add some images and text to my page. So that looks good, but I'd like to see what this looks like with different paper swatches. So first I'll save my design by adding it to the portfolio. I'll go into the portfolio and select Add. And now I'll bring up paper swatches and pick another paper stock. So I think this is really one of the best design features of SimplyMpress. You can see how different paper swatches can really change the look and feel of your designs. That looks good, so I'll save this version to the portfolio as well. And I'm just going to save a few more. You can see how fast it is to save lots of different alternatives to your portfolio. And I'll also save one with a transparent background. So now I have a few different alternatives of my design. So thus far I've been working on my desktop computer, but now I'm going to switch over to my iPad to demonstrate a few of the differences in exporting on a device. Alright, so now I'm working on my iPad. So this design has a transparent background. When I share this design, it's going to be saved to my photo album. So now we'll go into the photo album to check. So here's my design, and you'll notice that the background is black. And it may look as if the design didn't export properly, but the image is actually there just as it was. So Photo Album on iOS uses a black background for transparent images, so if any part of your image is black, it will blend into the background. When I import the design from Photo Album, it's going to display just fine. So that's basically it for SimplyMpress's paper features. Remember, these and all other features in SimplyMpress are covered in the help. You can check out our other mini videos on our website, SimplyMpress.com, or on the SimplyMpress YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy creating with SimplyMpress.